if you struggle with seasonal allergies outside of pregnancy, I would highly recommend that you read about our most recent blog article and really take a proactive stance to supporting your body through the use of stinging nettle, NAC, a variety of probiotics, and really focusing on whole nutrient-dense foods. You want to avoid sugars, simple carbs, anything that could increase inflammation in your body. But being proactive really can help make seasonal allergies easier, because often in pregnancy they're even more intense than without, with all the hormones, all the increased blood flow. So check out our blog and feel free to reach out to us if you have further questions.